Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay. Oh my. Okay, bridge. And then it'll get better when we get into these trees. Wow. Totally can't see the car in front of me. There we go. Wow. It's the worst I've ever been.